You got a wet sand.
And if I'm yeah, if he had water, if I'm doing it by myself, I use water.
Wow. He had water hose, a little water hose, and it was trickling water the whole time.
That's an M. I get it. I get it.
What you doing, Rick? The YouTube video again?
Yep. Yeah, but this time I'm gonna make sure there ain't no BS in it.
All right, what we're doing here is getting out the orange peel, wet sanding.
Yep. And then the 2000 are basically make it look like glass.
And how do we know when the orange peel's out?
Look,
This
get
is
the orange
the
peel.
orange peel in
You
it
won't
no
see it. There's the orange peel. You see it there, but you can't see it there.
And it's
You
a
know
little,
when it's gone.
there's a little bit in there,
Yeah.
but the 2000 will knock that out.
So what have we got to do to be able to see the orange peel? Or whether it's out?
Squeegee it off. See, squeegee it
No,
off.
you can see it showing up. Looks like an orange.
That's looking orange.
It's orange.
So this still has orange peel.
Yeah. Slight traces you can see. Closer to the
Yeah, I didn't get down there on that
tape.
edge.
You have to stay off the tape.
Did you do this side right here?
Nah, went to you.
What grit paper are we using?
I'm using 15,000.
15,000?
1500.
1,500.
I'm messing with you, I'm messing with you.
Hey, Cody, sir, you have a Mexican cup?